Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the Forex Daily Video Research. We'll continue to talk about euro currency. Well, we will start right from the hourly chart because there is nothing really interesting on the higher time frames. Not much price action was during the previous day. So, as you remember, yesterday we have discussed the possible retracement to the upside on the EuroFX, and I said that there are a couple of levels that we should watch for possible as the target of the possible retracement to the upside. The first area of resistance, this is Fibonacci 4-hour and hourly confidence resistance around 136.50 roughly, right here. And the second area, that is, I think that is more preferable for the establishing the short positions, is right here around 137.62, 137.69. Also this blue dash line, this is the weekly pivot point around 137.79. I said that yesterday I said that I do not see any retracement for the establishing any ABCs for the calculation of possible targets of the retracement. Now we have even a couple of these ABCs. So take a look at first ABC, ABC bottom, market hit 618, 100% expansion, and just above the market 1618 expansion around 136.80, just above this area of confidence resistance. If we take a look at the pace of the run to the upside, we see that market accelerates from the 618 to 100% expansion without any retracement to the downside. This is the sign of the that market should reach this target, at least this target. Also, if we take a look at this larger ABC, bottom, we see that 618 right here, 137.12, and 100% expansion around 137.93, just above this area of confidence resistance and weekly pivot point. So currently, we see that trend turns bearish right here. So price action is below the red line, that is MACD predictor. Jordan Apple indicator that shows trend when the market above, price above the red line, trend is bullish. When it's below, trend is bearish. You can see that formally trend is bearish, but the price action is not. So we do not see any thrust to the downside, any acceleration. Market just is in this bullish pennant or triangle pattern that is forming currently on the market. So usually when we see that kind of price action, when the price action doesn't confirm the trend shifting, it means that the previously move should continue. So it means that I expect that market should break this pennant to the upside. But what kind of breakout this will be, it's difficult to say, because it could be just the wash and rinse of the previous highs. Market will hit this target and returns back in the body of this triangle. If it will happen, then possibly we should expect that the market should clear out these lows, this low and this low, where will be the stops placing those who enter on this triangle breakout to the upside. Or market can continue move to the 100% expansion from this ABC bottom pattern. Well, this will be also nice move because this area is really solid resistance, and I think that's suitable for the establishing short position. So the couple of scenarios right here that we should watch for. First of all, I expect that market will touch this target. If market will return to the downside, then possibly we can count on at least on the clear out the stops just below these lows and break out to the downside. Also, market can start move to the downside even from this confidence resistance. If it will be just a wash and rinse of these highs, this high and this high, market just clear out the stops and hit this target from this ABC down bottom. And the second scenario, if market will touch this target and will not return in the body of the triangle, we can count on the move to next fib resistance and to the 137.93 target. So couple of levels to watch for. But again, I think that this is just retracement to the upside, and I expect that market will reestablish the down move and should reach the area around 133, 33.30.